Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome. This is a 2025 Christmas McKinley, largest McDonald's in McKinley light show. Yeah.
Let's see how it looks like for 2025.
Yeah. I bet it's gonna be good. Now
Because
let's
we're here
go.
every year to see what's
Put the camera.
Let's go.
I'm posting this to my YouTube channel.
Dito ba?
Can I post this to my YouTube channel?
comparisons of
Doon pa, kuya.
Ay, dun pa ba?
comparisons of the
Ayan pala. Pwede.
Please proceed to the next speaker.
Next, this is less decoration than 2021.
Ayun, no, meron lang ano. Sila rin ang naka-decorate.
this ano din yung McDonald's family.
Dito sa kabila. Dito sa kabila.
Maganda rin.
Ito.
Iba lang yung ano. Simple lang.
Elf family.
Ikaw kaya mag-video, ikaw nandun.
No, give me the camera.
Good evening po. May kayong free rewards?
Wala po.
Senior
Wala.
lang.
Okay, ikaw na po yung
Apple juice.
barbecue na po ba yung sauce? Mga nuggets?
Apo.
Anything else po?
Inaabot na yung dulo. Kaya may inaabot yung pera. Kaya may inaabot.
Hala ko.
Walang tao. Kaya inaabot.
Mag-uwi ni baby na umabot.
Kaya inaabot.
Ano ka ba sa 7-Eleven sa Singapore?
Diyan ka maganda yun na may McFlurry doon.
Ow! I hit my head again.
Mami, subukan mo ako ng price.
Mamaya pagtapos doon, no, may pag-ikot.
It's
Ano, Adrian, paano kayo iba?
Next window na tayo.
Oo, collection. Ay, ganyan lang. Simple lang. Ayun na, tapos na. Konti lang yan.
It's not that special.
Ayun na, yung family na.
Yummy food. So, like, y'all, this is the outside. It ain't that special. So basically, they did not do it as well as
Magantay na.
2021, but
Baba na kayo.
Still good.
Maghanap na lang ako ng parking.
sige,
Okay
wait
siya.
lang po. I'll film myself inside of McDonald's. That McDonald's. I don't know if you can see it, but there. I'll be filming in there. They have the Bike and Dine. Bike and Dine! We are inside the McDonald's. What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts?
Yes, we're inside the McDonald's.
No, I mean the thoughts about the decorations.
It's nice.
But not as nice as 2021.
Ako, video mo to.
Alright, just wait. We're going. Alright, we're gonna sit down now. Eating right now.
Community support po dito. Dito ka.
The rest of the food is gonna come in soon. I seen some fries.
Chicken na lang po.
Hey. Got a chocolate chip cookie. First bite.
Magdadala ng alamin.
We're good.
Palagyan mo na lang.